In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your own callout animation, which looks something like this. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora tutorials in the future. Now, let's proceed with the tutorial. First, you're going to prepare the video that you would like to add tracking text onto. One banner-like image with a white area to add text later, and materials like the logo or icon. Once we get the files ready, we can start our editing. Drag your video onto the timeline and then trim the part of the video you would like to use. Next, click on the video track and click on this icon to activate the motion tracking option in the editing menu. Then move and resize the tracker box over the moving subject you would like to track. Then click Start Tracking. The tracking looks good. Then let's head over to the Titles tab and search Callout. And we're going to look for Corners Callout. Drag and drop it on top of the video track and extend it to match the duration of the video. Next, double-click on the title track and click Advance. You'll be prompted to a new window with more advanced editing tools, and we'll configure our callout here. First, we're going to delete the two pre-ready text boxes. Next, click this icon to add an image that we're going to have our text on. Select the image you would like to add and click Open. Adjust the scale and position it over the little triangle. Then I'll import the United States flag icon and position it on the right side of the blank space. Now click this icon to add text. I'm going to add the swimmer's name and the name of the game. Adjust the point size of both texts and position it according to your needs. Once we've done adding the text and positioning, we're going to add animation to the callout. Click on the background image layer and select the animation from the Animation tab. I'm going to select Erase Animation to apply a reveal animation from left to right, and Fade 1 for the other text in the icon. Drag the line here to adjust the animation duration and the length of the clip to match the callout line animation, including the start and the finish of the animation. As the process is a bit long, I'm going to speed up the process. Once you've done tweaking the callout, click OK and back to the main timeline. Adjust the scale of the callout and position the point to the swimmer. And the final step, double-click on the video track and select Corners Callout from the drop-down menu in the Motion Tracking option. There you go! You got yourself a customized motion tracking callout. If you would like to recreate this effect, you can simply click Import Template at the bottom left of the video in Filmora Creator Academy to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel, and comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.